Welcome to our channel. Adding speed while maintaining control seems contradictory, but is achievable through proper technique. These methods increase distance without sacrificing fairway hits. Step 1. Build speed gradually over time rather than swinging violently immediately. Your body needs adaptation periods to handle increased forces safely and effectively. Step 2. Focus on rotational speed rather than arm speed. Faster hip and shoulder rotation generates power while maintaining connection and control. Step 3. Improve your kinematic sequence for efficient energy transfer. Start the downswing with lower body, followed by torso, arms, then club. Proper sequence maximizes speed. Step 4. Create more width in your swing. Extended arms increase the radius of your arc, generating more club head speed from the same rotational velocity. Step 5. Train with overspeed devices. Lighter clubs or speed sticks allow you to swing faster than normal, expanding your speed ceiling over time. Step 6. Maintain your balance at higher speeds. Speed without stability produces erratic results. Practice finishing perfectly balanced even at maximum effort. Step 7. Develop strength and flexibility, supporting faster rotation. Physical limitations restrict speed potential regardless of technique quality. Step 8. Practice at different speeds. Don't only swing fast. Work at 70, 80, and 90% to develop control across your speed range. Step 9. Monitor your accuracy metrics as you increase speed. Ensure fairway percentage doesn't decrease significantly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.